Hi, in today's video we'll be reviewing the proper steps needed to set up BarCloud Web in order to depreciate your assets. I'll start off here in BarCloud Web and click on the depreciate icon in the ribbon area. The first thing you'll need to set up are your global depreciation settings. To do this, we'll click on the Edit Global Settings button. The fiscal year start date is the month that your business starts its fiscal year. For the reporting period, this will determine whether you report monthly, quarterly, or yearly. The calculation period can be based on a daily or a monthly calculation. Acquisition depreciation will allow you to specify if an asset that is purchased after the start of the month will be fully depreciated or have no depreciation applied in that first month. Once you have all your global settings entered, click on the Save Global Settings button. Now, let's navigate to the inventory screen where we can review the details an asset needs in order to be depreciated. We can see we have several assets in the database already, so I'll use one of these and set it up so that we can depreciate it. I'll begin by double-clicking on the asset. Then we'll navigate to the Purchase Information tab. And here we'll be able to enter the details that we need so that we can depreciate the asset. The required fields to depreciate will be the purchase date, the cost, the depreciation method, of which BarCloud provides 3 methods, which are straight line, double declining, and sum of years, the years to depreciate, and the scrap value can be included, but it is not required. Now that we have all the details entered, we'll save and close this record. Now, let's navigate back to the depreciation screen. We can now see the asset that's going to be depreciated on the Depreciable Asset Table Reportable section. So let's go ahead and apply the depreciation to this asset. For this, we're going to click on the Depreciable Asset Table Run/Calculate tab. And now we're going to choose the month and day through which this asset is going to be depreciated. Once the month and day is entered, click on the Preview Results button on the top right. And here we'll be able to see some of the details before we apply the depreciation, including any prior accumulated depreciation, what will be reported this reporting period, any accumulated depreciation, the current book value, and the fiscal year to date depreciation, as well as the last depreciation on this asset. Once you're ready to save the results, select the asset by clicking the checkbox on the left, and then choose the Save button on the top right. Once the warning comes up, simply click Yes to apply the changes. And that's it. Pretty simple. If we navigate back to the Depreciable Asset Reportable table, we can now see the depreciation details listed on the page. Thank you for viewing this video.